Hello everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G phone. And this is a flagship phone from Samsung, and my unboxing is a little late, but anyways, let's get into the unboxing. So here's the phone, opening up the box with knife, and let's quickly talk about the specifications. This one comes with Exynos 2100 5nm chip or Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, which is also a 5nm chip, and the clock speed is 2.9 gigahertz max, and the display is 120 hertz. And here's the box, S21 Ultra 5G. And lifting up the box, we have the phone. Here's the front, have a good look at it. And lifting up the phone, here's the front, and here's the back of the phone. We have 5 cameras, and putting the phone aside for a bit, and let's see, have a look at the cameras. We have 108 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto 3x and 10x, and yeah. And here's the box, and in the box we have only the cable type C to C, some paperwork, and you'll see the cable just in a minute. Let's have a look at some paperwork in case you are wondering. And here's the C to C cable, and this phone obviously supports 25-watt fast charging. And this is pretty much it for the unboxing. And yeah, booting up the phone, you can see. So we were talking about cameras, and yeah, max zoom 100x S21 Ultra, Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. And here's the welcome screen setting up the phone. And of course, I forgot to mention the front camera is 40 megapixel, and the battery is 5000 milliamp hours, storage 256 gigs, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, thank you. I hope you liked this video. If so, then like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.